Hello and welcome to ClonaDesk tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating how to use the Switch Screen feature in ClonaDesk. During remote desktop sessions, it allows users to share their screens for product demos, sales presentations, and technical support. Let's get started. First, let's log into ClonaDesk. Enter your username and password and click Login. Once you're logged in, select the remote session you want to connect by entering the desk ID on your dashboard. Click Connect to start the session. Now that you're connected, let's explore the Switch Screen feature. This process allows another user to display their screen during the session, ensuring smooth collaboration and troubleshooting. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. Connect to the user you want to share screens with. Step 2. Both the access giver and the access taker have the switch screen option available. Step 3. The access giver clicks on the switch screen icon, and the access taker will be prompted to accept the screen share request. Once accepted, the access giver will be able to see the access taker's screen. Step 4. Similarly, the access giver can switch screens from the permissions interface if they need to display their screen to the access taker. Let's see this in action. The access giver clicks Switch Screen, and the access taker receives a prompt to accept the screen share request. Upon acceptance, the access giver can view the access taker's screen. This feature is particularly useful for conducting product demos and sales presentations, allowing you to showcase products and services directly to potential customers. It's also invaluable for technical support, where a support agent can view your screen to guide you through any issues you may be experiencing. And that's how you use the Switch Screen feature in ClonaDesk. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more ClonaDesk tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.